Okay, so as always, I want to show you a part of China you don't usually see. Just by pure chance, I was walking along the road. These two cars here had a minor mishap. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, a little bit of damage. And what they'll do is, regardless of where it happens, if this happened at an intersection or anywhere, they'll just stop these two cars. They'll film it, take a photo, and then they'll wait for the insurance people to come. Now that could take usually maybe half an hour, could take longer. And what will happen, they'll block the road up. So let's just zoom down here and see if we can see all the traffic. So I'm assuming it just happened. And if we zoom down the road, you can see that they blocked up all the traffic. So normally the two cars would just pull off to the side here, right? There, normally. But anyway, everyone does their own different things in different places. So there you go, something about China you probably didn't know.